Hello, good evening. I'm here to talk about ideology by Ologundudu Ayodele, batch 249. Ideology is build relationship between people of different beliefs. It creates and build confidence in individual to stand on their own. And also it brings justice into the community. What is MMM? It's a community of help where you donate and provide help for each other financially. It's also a platform where you don't have to drop any collateral like house, car, all those things before you get help from other participants which is in the community. How it works: free registration to everyone. That is, there is no there is nothing that you need to give out before you join the community. The community is free registration for anybody, and also provide help. You need to provide help, which is GPH, before you can do anything, before you can get help from another participant. Another one is get help, known as GH. After you provided help to a participant in the community and make a payment, after the confirmation of your payment, it is then you need to GH your money to get back the money from another participant in the community. Another one is referral bonus. The referral bonus is 10% of what your downliner donates in the community. For example, if your downliner donate 20,000 naira in Nigerian money, you will get 2,000 naira from it. That one is your referral bonus. And also registration bonus are $20, $50, $100 for the first provider. And during the registration, if you provide help for the first time, if you are first timer on the platform, you will get the percentage, which is $20, $50, $100 for the first provider. It not depend on the amount of the PH. That's the PH. Some 100,000, some 200,000, some 300,000. So it now depend on your PH. The benefit of MMM: it serves as a means of employment for people in the community. There are some people that they don't have job and they need to live to maintain their family, so it serves as a means of employment where people get money. Another one is it bridge the gap between the poor and the riches. Another point is the founder, which is Sabro Mavrodi P, believe that if we work together, we will eradicate the poverty, because he noticed that poverty is too much in the country. So he created the platform for the help of the people, which he believes if you can work together, if you cooperate, you follow the rules, we can eradicate the poverty in the community. The bonuses: leader bonuses is 5%, 3%, 1%, and 0.5% based on the level that you are. There's a registration bonus, which is I've talked about it, but I will mention it again. $20, $50, $100 for the first PH. Now, of $50 to 499, 500 to 2,999, and also $3,000 and above, respectively. There's a testimonial bonus. In a situation whereby you give a testimony of the money you GH, if you make a video that is, it show your face like this, you are going to get 10% of your PH. But if it did not show your face, that means you get 5% of your PH. The program, it gives free training through Guided School. There's no collection of money. You don't need to donate anything before they guide you through the Guided School. It eradicates poverty. Lastly, rules of MMM. Avoid uploading false POP, known as Stellar. Never register account with incorrect details. In a situation whereby you enter details, maybe your account number is not correct, or the contact that you input there is not correct, it will give the person that want to PH to you a problem to contact you, maybe for the confirmation of one or two things. Use your spare money to provide help. Lastly, tell people the real information about MMM. That one is don't follow the false information that social media used to carry, that MMM is crash, MMM will take away your money, MMM will do that, MMM will do that. So give correct information, the real information, what MMM is all about, what it really do, the reason why Mavrodi created the platform. Give the original and correct and real information about MMM. Thank you. My name remains the same, Ologunudu Ayodele. Thank you.